My mind shuts down and I can't compete. My body's shaking and I'm scared to say just how I feel. Gotta turn on that noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, 'cause if you won't listen, I might just have to go. I want to leave this all behind and breathe. Close this door for peace of mind, 'cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. Really need to tell you the truth. Your talk is cheap, but your words cut deep. Don't you understand that you're bringing me down till I'm stuck on the ground? I need to turn on the noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, can't this be different? Or should I let this go? I want to leave this all behind and breathe. Close this door for peace of mind, 'cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. Really need to, and I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. My mind shuts down and I can't compete. My body's shaking and I'm scared to say just how I feel. Gotta turn on that noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, 'cause if you won't listen, I might just have to go. I want to leave this all behind and breathe. Close this door for peace of mind, 'cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. Really need to tell you the truth. Your talk is cheap, but your words cut deep. Don't you understand that you're bringing me down till I'm stuck on the ground? I need to turn on the noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know.
If you want to learn more how to trade, so how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on YC/PH. We will run an 8-week session coming from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term investing principles behind.
All right, check mic, test mic. I'm gonna check my mic. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in on this MWF natin on Monday, Wednesday, Friday live trading here on wiseinvestorsPH.com or Wise Investor PH Group. Of course, now we're trading the US market together, the crypto market, and even the Forex market live here on Facebook. So please help me out, share this live on your friends, on your groups. So also we can also this is also a collaborative effort din ng buong community where we can actually screen stocks or check what's the market is giving us for tonight. It's a very Friday evening na the market is really on a sell-off that as usually. Lagi nag-sell off ng usually Friday. But of course, no, alam naman natin yan. We're always prepared for that. The market move in trends. And that's why hindi tayo na mabibighala sa mga ganyan. What we can protect us from what's mga pullback, sharp pullbacks like this is really your risk management. So again, welcome everyone for this live trading here on Wise Investors PH. This is John, your host for tonight. All right, let's get to it. It's 9:31 in the evening. Of course, let's punta muna tayo diretso on the SPX 500. Nakita natin SPX 500 really made as we expected it should be, no? Making of course a healthy pullback on the current price range in the EMA2 here. On the EMA10 here, is natin with ating horizontal line. There you go. Yan. And holding the momentum range of of the whole of the whole SPX 500. But of course, okay lang yan. Expected yan. Ang question niya, magbibenta na ba tayo, no? Isa yan ang tanong na dapat nating sagutin tonight. Kung dapat na ba tayo magbawas ng portfolio sa mga nangyayari sa mga chismis, na mga marites dyan. Marites ba tawag nila doon? Marie, what's the latest? Interest about the interest rates and all this stuff, no? For me right now, I'm still gonna hold. Okay? The momentum is still very intact. For me, this is just a short-term profit taking in the market in general, of course. Profit taking lang to. Short term, of course, but definitely gusto ko pa rin mag-hold ako diyan. Tingnan natin how it's gonna react. But for me, I'm gonna hold for now. And I cannot see some selling signals. But definitely kung ngayon ka pa lang magbebenta, medyo late. Medyo for me late na no. Dapat nag-proactive TP ka around this range. Yung itong pinakita natin, kailan to? Monday pa lang. Nasa proactive TP na. Nagbawas ka na by this time. Pero kung ngayon ka palang bebenta, for me, namimili na yung possible yung iba. Ikaw nagbebenta. So, ikaw, binibilan. Okay? Kasi possible na ipit. So, huwag naman sana gano'n, no? For now, again, let the market move. Let the market do its magic, no? In the next 10 days, let's check natin kung it's gonna still go momentum. If we're losing momentum, then I think that's it na magbenta tayo. But for now, observe lang muna tayo. Okay, that's 9:34 in the evening. Is it the same also picture with our Nasdaq? That's also one picture that we need to check into. We're expecting that this is a healthy retracement area ng ating Nasdaq movement. Actually, we can even check the PSEI pala kasi nandito na to, no? Sige, check natin ang PSEI din. So definitely, yan yung mga retracement na hinihintay ko. Honestly, kung tatanungin ako, if magkaroon ng reversal from that area, bibili din ako eh. Okay, mag-aggressive buy ako. But for now, chill lang. Nasa sakto lang siya retracement period. Wala tayong gagawin dyan. Okay? So, tingnan din natin ang PSEI. I-bonus natin ang PSEI. Sama natin ang PSEI na rin. Sa PSEI index nasa trading view na. Okay. Okay, sa PSEI, kung papansin nyo, talagang nagpa-follow lang siya sa US market in terms of the sentiment. But what's good about the PSEI is look at that, no? That's a very good news. Why is it a good news? Because it means to say that the 3,000 level is trying to hold already. Okay, the question is right now, the question for PSEI market is anong take ng eleksyon sa stock market? That's one. Okay. Second na kailangan natin check dito is yung degree ng trend niya. Is the economic news gonna make the PSEI go momentum or is gonna go on a healthy trend like it used to do? The healthy trend of the PSEI is like this in this format, Ganyan ang angat eh, no? So ngayon, medyo mabilis siya. That's why kung titingnan nyo, medyo nag-fast track nung few days. Isa yan ang mga titingnan natin. I'm very, very, kumbaga, optimistic on the PSEI market recently because on this picture on your screen. Yan. Okay, check natin ang crypto tayo. Diretso tayo because supposedly the crypto market is our schedule on the start of this program. And let's get to it right now. So tingnan natin ang mother coin. What's with the mother coin? The mother coin is still intact on the current fast lane, no? Fast lane holding on this range, which is 64,000, which is the previous all-time high there, no? Tried to break out, but it did not proceed or did not pursue, reconsolidating at the highs. Yan ang isa natin titinan dito. So ngayon, for me, it's still bullish. Okay, second, the Bitcoin market right now, it's still on a fast lane. Still on a fast lane pa rin si Bitcoin as of the moment. Bakit? Kung gusto ko makita, tingnan natin kung ipa-follow niya ang healthy trend within the week, especially Friday tomorrow. If makakita tayo ng green candle on the Saturday, I would really suggest na bulk on your cryptos na. Ulitin ko ha, if makakita tayo ng green candle tomorrow, Saturday usually, syempre wala matrade yung mga tao na market, nandiyan sa crypto eh, no? Magdagdag na tayo ng Bitcoin or anong crypto meron kayo. Because the sentiment is there. The sentiment is is actually present during this period of the month. So honestly, start pa no September pa. No? Ang bilis pa ng atake ng ng degrees niya pataas. So yan, isa yan, crucial yan tomorrow up to Sunday. Makikita natin yan paano siya magre-react. And then magre-react din tayo as well, no? Let's go to my second favorite. Usually, we have Ethereum there. Okay. For Ethereum, after the breakout, I'm actually expecting it to go back to the supply zone or the previous breakout there. Then, tingnan natin kung tutuloy niya tong range na yan on that faster pace. If not, then react na tayo. But for now, let it ride. Observe it. No? It's not a good time for us to add. Supposedly, yung additional mo dito, itong breakout na yan, itong dito sa breakout na to, retest na to. So for now, wala muna tayong gagawin. But again, bullish siya ha. Bullish siya. Okay, on your screen, sabi ni Sir John Gargarin, ADA, ETH and BTC. Yan, sinasabi ko na si ETH BTC. XRP, PayPal. Nakikita mo ba mag 60K si Bitcoin? Sabi ni Peds. 60K, where is 60K? Let's check at 60K. 60K, pwede naman. Pwede siya. Pwede siyang mag-60K. Again, honestly, crucial yung tomorrow. Kung magkaroon tayo ng green candle on the next 2 days, baka makikita tayo ng mas mabilis na angat ng crypto market. But if you're asking me to go 60K, pwede siya because buy zone yan eh. Nasa buy zone yan 60 to 63. Which is ngayon, nasa buy zone siya ngayon. Nasa buy zone. Sa previous support. So most likely malaking pasabilidad. No? Ayan, isa dyan, mga kaibigan. Okay? Let's go to ADA. Honestly, that is my third favorite na after BNB. Okay, anong nangyari kay ADA? May lamok. Ang laki. Okay. Uy, si ADA. Nako, grabe. Anong nangyari dito kay ADA brothers? Okay. Okay, so honestly, for ADA, it did made a high here. Hindi naman nag-breakout dito. Then coming an impulsive selling. Okay? The question is right now, are we still bullish on ADA? Alright, our crucial price action for ADA is this range. Okay, we can actually say na medyo okay, weak na to si ADA. Let's actually cut loss if it's trading below this zone. Okay, why am I saying that? Okay, on a price action perspective of Cardano, okay, sell out. You have a sell out there. It made your base again here. Base. So, base na to eh. It's a strong support. Try to push the price on a breakout. Then kung titingnan mo, itong horizontal ko na to, then can be a support. So the confirmation here, if it's babalik na dito, maybe talagang ito, very confirmed na malakas sa support na. But for now, yung mga bumili dito, bumili ako dyan. I'm with you guys na bumili ako dito sa area na to. I sold my BNB, I bought it there. As long as this holding, I'm not gonna reduce my exposure to ADA. Very, very strong. Very, very strong price. So that's one. Okay, let's go to XRP. BNB. BNB. My third favorite. Okay, BNB USD. There you go. Our BNB USD, if you also mention, okay, forget about this first muna. Huwag niyo muna tingnan to. Kasi medyo malakas ang kanyang very resistance range dito. Napakalakas. Okay, ang kailangan nito ni Binance dito is bumuo ng katulad nito. Ganyang kalakas na consolidation sa taas. Before yay bomba. Pero ganyan lang itsura niyan. Baka we can see a consolidation happening around this range or around that range. Yan. So, para basagin nyo tong area na to. Psychologically, may mga bumili dyan. Okay? Nag-break even pa lang doon. Okay. Imagine mo psychological factor niyan. Hype na hype kay BNB. Bumili dyan. Matagal na ipit. Almost 200 days. Inabutan, nasundo. Tingin mo, ikaw yon negative ka for how many months? Pakita ko sa'yo. Yan. Negative ka ng 68%. Tapos after 200 days, wow! Yung capital ko bumalik. Tingnan mo, are you still gonna hold? Or are you one of them who's actually selling here? You get the psychological support resistance on that perspective. That's why I told you guys, eto malakas to. Malakas yung range na yan. So it needs a very strong support para iangat niya more than that. Okay? That's why pag umabot dyan, binawasan ko na yung mga position ko dyan. Tinake profit ko na yung ibang position ko kay BNB. So I was also down today. Like you guys, so far I'm down by 2% on my first port. Let's check the other dyan. BNP, IMX, okay, we're done at that. Okay, IMX, naiwan si Mana. Okay, let's check at Mana. Sige, tingnan natin si Mana. Hindi, muna tayo. XRP. Muna tayo, XRP. 943, okay. Isa rin to, no? Isa rin sa matigas ang ulo. Okay. Okay, so for XRP, the buy supposedly is this candle here. Yun nga lang, tinamaan pa rin siya sa supply zone niya. But we can actually have a very strong support at this range here. Okay, as long as this is support and this support is holding us on the as long as this support initially at this support here, that's 1.4 to 1.7, and even this one, as long as above your trend line, I'm gonna hold for XRP. Honestly, if you're gonna ask me, again, this is a utility, no? Sabi nga nila utility. Ayan yung trend yan, normal lang. Delete mo lahat ng drawing ko. Ayan yung trend yan, Up, down, up, down, up, down. So it's gonna do the same pattern all over again. So for now, observe pa rin tayo, but very intact. Kung magkaroon to ng green candle tomorrow, maybe we can add some. Same with our Bitcoin. Okay, ano pa ba next natin? Shiba Inu, yung mga uso. Before tayo sa mga hindi. Okay, prioritize natin meron sa eToro kasi yun lang kaya namin trade. Kayo sa mga Binance, pwede yan Yung mga tamad gumawa ng Binance katulad ko, hindi makagawa. Okay, for Shiba Inu, ayan. Ito, na-discuss ko na to. Yes, Wednesday, if you can remember. Okay? Sabi natin kay Shiba Inu, guys, it's actually building a symmetrical triangle there. Okay, this is your triangle here. As long as it's not confirming it's not a confirmation. Ito, pwede yan. Pwede yan, price action. Ito, yan. Okay, that symmetrical triangle there, it's not a confirmation of buy or a sell. So it's trading within the range, but what I can also notice from here, of course, is very strong resistance range here. So that's why it's very crucial for Shiba Inu to break out this area here. So we can actually have a potential buy for Shiba Inu. So for now, let the price action move the market. We're just retailers. No? We're not market movers. So let's react accordingly or anticipating the proper risk management. No? So usually naman yung practice natin. Let's go to, I want to go to Dogecoin. Sige, Dogecoin. Tingnan natin. That coin, yan. As long as it's not trading, it's actually trading below our price range already, but andyan sa moving average. Huwag muna natin pansinin to if hindi to mag-breakout ulit dito. Okay, kasi kung hindi yan maglaro dyan, baka pababa yan eh. Ayan, no? Pangit eh. Ang pangit ang price action. So, di muna natin siya, but what for optimistic people, ito yung pangahawakan nyo dyan, guys. Hindi, pangit na rin. Tingnan mo, ayan, no? Price action-wise, nag-reverse, nag-starting to reverse on a downtrend din siya. Nako, pangit. Okay? Chill. Alis muna dito. Okay, let's go to, tingnan ko muna yung mga hawak ko din para doon ako mag-base. BNB, BCH, USD. Okay, for BCH, ayan. Okay, hindi ko na sabihin kay BCH. Normal na yung kay BCH eh. Okay, for BCH, makakita yung green candle, bumili na kayo. Yun lang po masasabi ko dito. Ayan. No? Very simple analysis. Next green candle, buy. Yun lang. Alam na yan. Bakit? LTC, wag muna. Okay, it's actually on tingnan mo guys, no? So I've been plotting this one. Tumama siya doon. It's now selling on the faster pace. For me, wag muna natin siya tingnan. Okay, kasi look, ang dami tinik sa taas eh. People wanted to get out. So far, no? So yan. Ayan lang yung resistance mo. So nakakatakot yan. So wag muna natin. What else? Link, ano ba? Link USD. Si Link has the same picture with your LTC. Okay, it's trading above your price action range but trading below your supply zone range. So medyo sandwich. Not to buy, not to sell. Okay, so for now, after a breakout of the ascending triangle, it's supporting the previous resistance on the current price action with a bearish momentum, like bearish divergence. Kaya nagkaroon yan, pero at least nag-correct na. So wala. Observe pa rin tayo. Sa lahat, nasa observe na rin. Wala tayong makita. Okay. Check natin si Saitama. Ano ba? May Saitama pala na, no? Ulit ito may mga bago, no? Ito ba yun? Ito? Wow, okay. Liquid. Pangit naman ito. Ito ba yun? Saitama WIPH? Okay, so if you're a momentum trader, I'm gonna buy now. Okay, I'm gonna buy now within the day. I'm gonna look for like a support. Within the day, I'm gonna look near the price here. Kung pumunta siya dyan na price, bibilin ko siya. Okay, kung mag-breakout siya, bibilin ko siya. For this one, for Saitama WIPH. So, may nakita tayong momentum sa ngayon niya. Okay, check natin si Shiba Inu. Tapos na tayo dyan. Matic. Okay, si Matic, honestly, nabitin. Nabitin si Matic, guys. Kung titingnan nyo, nagkaroon ng breakout. Trading below the breakout. Okay, not a good picture. So what we want to happen here is, let's wait for the breakout again. Okay, before we confirm the buy for Matic. So baka kasi mag-breakdown ng todo. So di natin siya di natin yan ipapansin muna, no? Next natin si Stellar Link, tapos na tayo kay Link. Tapos na tayo kay Stellar. Stellar, ito ba XLM? Oh. Stellar X, ito Teterus. Oh, yan. Etong Teterus, we have ito. Ayan, meron tayo ditong ayan. So, tingnan natin kung mag-confirm tong head and shoulder na to. Okay. Kung mag-confirm yan sa neckline, which is in neckline natin within this range, baka malakas yung iangat nito. Pero for now, for a test buy, if magkaroon ng green candle bukas, pwede mag-test buy. Okay, kung magkaroon ng green candle bukas, pwede mag-test buy. Or magkaroon ng succeeding 2 candles, tapos magkaroon ng bullish candle on the third candle, pwede natin bilhin. As long as the 2 candles is above this range here. Okay? Okay, let's go to Algo. Algo. Grabe naman nga. Algo. Okay, for Algo. Uy, ganda ni Algo ah. Okay. Alright, for Algo guys. Okay, as long as it's trading above this range, pwede natin tong bilhin. Pero honestly, since ang problema mo kasi ngayon, yung sentiment, is gustong mag-sell off. So, in terms of your probability na umangat siya, baka magka-problema ka pa. Pero kung price action wise, we have a breakout here, baka hindi lang niya mag-close below here. So, ang gusto nating mangyari kay Algo is 1 hour before the closing, it's trading above this range. So, doon natin siya i-decide kung breakout talaga siya o hindi. Kasi it's still 10 hours to go. Baka bumaba pa to. Yan, isa rin yan. So, if it's gonna trade, kung ngayon ka palang bibili, pwede mo na siya i-test buy. Kung ngayon, since nagkaroon siya ng retest, tapos nagkaroon ng buy, maglagay ka na ng decent risk, mga 18%. Okay? Ako hindi ko ito-trade dyan ng mga ganyan. Dito ako, sa below support. Mga 18 to 20%. Para sakay ako sa trend. No? Check natin si Kate Coin. Kate Coin. Okay, ito ba yun? Kate Coin. Okay. Ito yung 100% eh. Oh. Grabe yung mga Kate Coin na to ah. Okay, mga ganito guys. Lower time frame tayo. May nakita ba tayong divergence nun? Wala. Hindi na 4 hour, 1 hour natin. Price action na to sa 1 hour. Okay, ako honestly, dito ako bibili to pag bumaba ulit. Okay? Ngayon, since nasa bottom naman siya, wala pa siyang full reversal, I'm gonna observe. The risk is way higher than the reward for on the lower time frame. So, kung bumaba yung mga 24%, pwede, or mag-retest sa 17% area. Mas safer ka dyan. Or breakout ng current price action niya. Kasi kung titignan mo yung trend pa, down pa eh. On a daily chart, hindi pa siya talaga fully ready. Ayan o, on a daily chart oh. Grabe yung resistance. So, likelihood dito bumalik dito, pwede. Okay, likelihood na bumalik yan dyan. Okay? TRX. 10 minutes before we go to the stock market. TRX did not go to according to plan so far. So, kikita nyo dyan si TRX is not trading above it. So, we're actually waiting for another breakout to trade above this area. Pwede natin siyang bilhin. Kasi nga, lakas ang era na to eh. So, hindi talaga natin siya mabibili. Medyo late. So, magkaroon to ng green candle. Honestly, lahat. Kung magkaroon ng green candle bukas, pwede talagang bilhin. Yun lang, no? Or mag-close within the range na tinignan natin. Okay? IOTA TRX Polkadot. Polkadot, downtrend. Huwag muna to. Pangit na. Okay, magkaroon to ng green candle. Pwede pa i-test pa. Dalawang green candle. Pwede pa to. Pero price action wise, tingnan natin. Green candle may be a test buy. But hindi ako pabor sa green candle kahit sa price action niya eh. Kasi nasa below MA20. So, green candle may be a test buy for this one tomorrow for that. CHZ USDT. Okay, for our chart, pag ganyan. Okay, we're actually seeing a volatility compression on this range. Umaangat na yan, no? So, tingnan natin yung breakout. Breakout play tayo dito, guys. For our chart, tingin nyo. Makita kayong breakout, pwede. If you're aggressive enough, test buy may be considered. Okay? Have a decent cut loss when you buy. 11%. Minus plus spread. Okay? Dapat ganyan, risk mo dyan. But, the good thing about it is, it's actually like having the lows already, no? And trying to attack the resistance. Tapos nagka-close pa ng nagta-tighten pa ng volatility sa taas. Baka magkaroon ng follow-up tong candle na to pag nangyari 'yon. Okay. Check natin si H bar. H bar USDT. Ba yun? H bar. O, ito na lang. Yung crypto na lang mismo. Market cap na lang. Wag na yung futures. Yan. H bar. Pangit naman ito. Liquid. Okay. Yan ang parami na. Liquid na. Tatalunan ka ng ganyan. Nakatakot, no? H bar. Late ng konti. Okay? For H bar, I would suggest buy this range. Okay? Don't go to a breakout play on this. Look at that, no? It actually usually go back to its means. Nagmi-mean revert siya when it actually occurs a breakout. So very similar pattern. So nagbe-breakout siya, ibabalik niya sa mean. So get it on an MA20 or nasa support range. So tingnan mo tong trend line na yan. Doon mo siya kunin. No? Breakout, balik. Breakout, balik. Breakout, balik. So sell on news eh. Okay. Si Nano. Okay. Nano USD. Test by now. Okay, test by now si Nano USD. Decent cut loss. 16%. Conservative, 7 to 8% cut loss on the current price. So, if you're gonna buy now, pwede naman. For me, pwede yan, no? Price action mo, nasa range ng buy. Kakatapos nag-confirm pa. So, though hindi pa tapos, pero okay lang. Okay, check natin. Let's go to it's 9:57. The stock market will open ng oras ba? 10:30, no? 10:30. Sige. 3 minutes to go. Tapos na tayo kay Shiba. Confirmation breakout ang hinihintay natin. TRX, Katecoin, ATA USDT. Okay. ATA USDT, green candle tomorrow. After 10 hours. Mag-open siya ng green candle. Above this range, buy. Okay? Within 10 hours As long as it's trading above there, open a green candle, buy. Ngayon, test buy ka aggressively. Up to you. Okay? Kasi baka ibagsak pa ng todo. 10 hours to go. No? So, for me, ako, mga before the tomorrow. Or in the next 4 hours, magkaroon to ng green candle dito within the range. Test buy ka. Lagay ka na ng decent cut loss, pwede na siya. So far, nakita ko yung magandang bilhin ngayon si Nano. Si Nano, nakikita ko maganda. For BNB users, BNB users. So, wala tayo sa eToro niyan eh. This one, Sand USD. Okay, this one. Okay, trade it like price action tayo dito. So, sentiment is not good. It will have a sell-off. Sentiment, if magkaroon ng breakout in the next 4 hours, buy tayo. If mag-breakout dyan in the next 4 hours. Ngayon, mas malakas ang pababa. So, saan tayo mag-aabang? Dito na. Diyan tayo mag-abang within that range. Ibababa siya. Okay? So, nakita yung sentiment, sell-off eh. So, hatak yan pababa. Diba? Psychological. 1 minute before we go to the stock market. Last request, BTC, tapos na tayo dyan. Feel. Ano yung feel? Ano ba? Polka dot, tapos na tayo dyan. TRX, we're done at that. Feel. Si Feel. Kaya, hindi ko madami ano ba? Feel Bitcoin. Feel USD. We're done at Katecoin na rin. Tapos na tayo kay Katecoin kanina. Feel. IPO price. 1, 2, 3. Trading on the third day. Okay. Green candle confirmation. Test buy. But stronger support will be here. So, I would suggest dito. Within this range na lang, another green candle on below the price. Kasi kung titignan mo dyan, magkaroon man ng green candle may resistance pa din. So, another story if magkaroon ng breakout dito in the next 2 days, baka possible ma-consider natin tong bilhin. Okay? So, let's go to the stock market. Tingnan mo natin ang stock market updates natin regarding the sectoral analysis. So, for now, I'm also down like you guys. Yung PayPal ko, kinain yung gains ko from $54 down to -12. Okay lang. Tingnan natin. Yung mga PLTR, hopefully, nag-TP kayo doon sa initial TP ko, ha? Hindi kayo naipit kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, may EMA 5, EMA 10 pa na resistance. So, dapat hindi kayo masyado nag-hold, lalo na pagpababa yung stock. Tapos, overvalue, no? Sige, check natin ngayon ang sectoral rotation last week. Sectoral rotation, here we go. Start natin ng June. Yan. Okay, sabi ko nga sa inyo, the momentum is still intact with the technology stocks. Okay, followed by your consumer discretionary. Yan, ang umahabol pa rin natin, of course, is your financial market or the financial sector. Yan, followed by your healthcare. So, I'm very bullish. I'm very bullish with energy, technology, consumer, and your financials sector. Plus industrial. Industrial is a very, very fast lane ngayon ng industrial stocks. So, yan. So, yung titingnan mo dyan maglalaro. The rest, hindi ko muna titingnan. Communication, hindi ko titingnan. Materials, pwede naman, no? Utilities, hindi ko titingnan yan. Healthcare, so-so. Ayan, mga ganyan. So, from there pa lang, filtered na yung sector na gusto ko makita tonight. Okay, let's go to my stock. Yesterday, did I trade? Nag-trade ba tayo kahapon? Hindi. So, hindi ako nag-trade kahapon. I let it be. Natulog ako ng maaga. Okay, so as you mentioned here, if you're following me, ang laki ng stock ko dito. Sabi ko nga, meron ditong binubong reversal head and shoulder. I told you guys to buy at this area here. If you bought at that, if nagdagdag ka at that area, good. So it's trading above MA200, MA200, MA100 already. Trying to go reversal. So wala pa tayo nakikitang full reversal. Tingnan natin kung meron na. Tingnan natin ang weekly chart nitong ACB ko. So ACB, ayan, trading above MA20 na pala this week. Ayos, okay. So ayan, we can see a breakout. If magkakakita na mag-stay above those range this week, we can see a full reversal this week. So, tingnan natin to. So very crucial tonight. Very crucial si ACB tonight. If it's gonna close above 7.37, then we can see a very strong angle on the curve of ACB, no? That's why I've been buying this one since 8 August. Meron akong free asset pa ng isa with this one. So let's go check PayPal. I'm gonna check PayPal right now. Okay, tingnan natin kung mali nag-hold ako. Okay, so si PayPal, guys. Alright, for PayPal, it's actually establishing a base on the 200 range. Okay, as long as it stays there, I'm not gonna move a finger on PayPal so far. Di pa naman niya tinatamaan yung EMA 5, EMA 10 ko. So it's safe. It's safe to trade it on a range perspective. So range trading, meaning to say you sell within this range, you buy within this range. It's actually safe to buy tonight, no? As long as our 200 level is intact, I would not move a single finger on PayPal. But of course, naka-set na yung mga cut loss ko dyan, no? Let me just also review my NEO and ayun, yung MIO lang. NEO and Jivo and Baba. May pera ba ako ngayon? Wala, 36 lang. Alright, for NEO, ayan, sabi ko nga sa inyo, for NEO, I would not also move a finger on NEO because the trend is still intact despite the sell-off, massive sell-off. Why? So, trend reversal na eh. So, if a trend reversal, ride it as it goes along, no? Especially with good earnings. PLTR, tingnan natin si PLTR. Ayan, so yung mga bumili ng PLTR, yung Wednesday, okay, if you actually sold dun sa initial selling ano natin, congrats. Okay, within yung first day ng bounce, andito na, nagbenta kayo dyan, hopefully. So ngayon, I think it's gonna go range on that range first in the next few days. Same with PayPal sentiment. Okay, but if it's gonna close within this week below this 22.95, baka bumulusok pa yan pababa for PLTR. Okay. Tingnan natin. Let's go to Baba. Okay, if you're following my page as well, we can actually notice Baba is also forming a reverse head and shoulder. And this is our buy point. So, as mentioned, on a wise investor strategy, okay, you buy good companies on a discounted price and a discounted levels, no? Yung mga discounted levels. So, these are my buying points. Maybe it's gonna go deeper. I'm gonna buy more on these levels here. But since nakabili na ako dyan, nakabili na ako within this range, I'm gonna hold it off na. So, for Alibaba. So, kita nyo dyan, ganda naman yung price action niya. Next resistance natin dito, tingnan natin kung itatawid niya yan. So, wala tayong gagawin kay Alibaba. Okay, last. Before I go to the comment section, so wala na. Okay. Yung crypto lang naghahatak ng port ko, but I'm still good. I'm back at the gold. Kasi yung gold, kailangan nasa $10,000. So, I'm back at 64% gain this year. Yeah, 64% close gain this year plus the profits below. I already made my all-time high also. This year, almost 12,000, no? 12,075. So, bumalik tayo dito sa min. 11,000 lang yan before. But still, I'm good with this one. Oh, let's go to the chat box. Please do share this live on your friends so we can actually reach out to them as well. Okay, let's go to LSEED. Tignan natin si LSEED. Ayan, lakas si LSEED, no? Momentum. LSEED for me, momentum pa to. So, I would not lay a finger for LSEED. Momentum pa siya. Bibilin si LSEED na, hindi pa for me. Hindi siya bibilin ngayon for LSEED. Pero as long as he stay there, malakas yan si LSEED. AMC. AMC, it's for me, it actually sumilip po. Ayan, no? Ito yung problema kay sumilip doon, binasag, and bumalik sa mean revert, nag-mean revert. So, di natin alam, pero itong buhay yan, okay tayo dyan. No? So, ngayon, wala pa naman sa cut loss range. I did bought. Bumili din ako dito, Itong kandila na to, bumili ako dyan. Hindi ako bumili sa breakout. Bumili ako sa before the breakout. Hopefully, nakabenta yung mga bumili dito, yung mga sa Elite Club. Okay? Ang problema dito siya nag-open, so konti na yung profits, Pero buy and hold na ako dito kay AMC. Let's go to PUBM. Okay, I would not trade. Okay na, fill the gap naman na. PUBM, please trade the breakout. Most likely mangyari dito, guys, is open. Lalapad yan. So, dito magkakaalaman yan. So, I would actually trade the breakout here. So, wag yung pasukin basta ganyan. Okay. Silver. Yan. Okay. For silver, ayan. Okay. Sige, I'm gonna let you see silver right now. After gold made the reversal, okay, syempre follow si silver kasi parang commodity yan, no? So ngayon, for silver, if we can see a green candle by Monday, maybe mag-continue yung trend on a faster pace, no? That's a reverse head and shoulder pattern, okay? Let me just show you that dito pa lang pinabibili na yan ng Elite Club. No, let me just show you for silver. Ayan. So ngayon, dito pa lang. Pinabibili na yan ng Elite Club. Pakita ko sa inyo ang Elite Club. So the Elite Club is you can actually have an advantage on the Elite Club. You have insiders buying, statistical analysis for Elite Club. And then since you mentioned regarding silver, I remember na pinabili ko yan. Pinabili ko siya beforehand. So ngayon, medyo nasa momentum range. If magkaroon ng green candle on Monday, we can consider trading silver on a long position. Okay, yun ang isa natin titingnan dito. Ito ko sa inyo. Ayan. Sa Elite Club is you can get buy information with statistical analysis here. Ayan. Okay, ito pa sa inyo. So, this is the Elite Club. Tingnan natin dito. Silver. Yan. Ayan. October 4 pa lang. Okay, October 4 pa lang. Ayan. Pinabibili na si Silver. Tingnan nyo guys. October 4 pa lang. So, October 4, when was October 4? October 4 was here. Just to give you a heads up. October 4 is here. Yan. So, after that one, it made a 12% up from the buy point. So, that's how powerful the Elite Club is. This one, no? Test on buy support in even that one. Oh, nag-breakout siya on the trend line. Pinabili natin. And may rason kung bakit. Ayan. Ayan, no? Yan, may rason. Meron siya may mga research regarding that one. Okay? So if you're part of the Elite Club, then you could have got this information earlier. Okay, yan yung isang advantage ng Elite Club. Yan, there you go. That's on your screen. You can check the Elite benefits here. Okay. Marketa MQ. Let's go to Marketa MQ. I think it's here. Ayan, grabe yung inangat ni Marketa, oh. Okay, so bumagsak ng todo. Nag-range. Alright, tingnan natin with the high selling volume. Tingnan natin dito. Okay. For Marketa, tingnan natin mo drawing yan. Earnings report to, no? With good earnings report. Sige, scrutinize natin to sa Marketa. This is a good company. Ito sabi ko sa inyo, third day rule, oh. Ayan, oh. Hindi siya nag-trade above. Oh, yan tinuro sa ko last Tuesday if you remember, no. Oh, hindi siya umabot doon, hindi binentahan, no. So tingnan natin ngayon si Marketa kung magkaroon ng bounce ngayon but it's trading below the support na with the high volume. Sige, tingnan natin. Tingnan muna natin ang technicals. Okay, Chidori. Tsaka ito ng Chidori technique. Makikita natin dito kung pasok siya for this one, MQ. Tapos tingnan natin ang fundamentals. Wala pa tayong data. Kulang pa yung data natin. Hindi pa lumalabas. Wala tayong data dito. Tingnan natin ang funda. Tingnan natin kung may bibigay na funda sa atin. Value, kahit book value, okay lang. 2/3 of the book value. Okay. Tingnan natin, walang peg ratio. Price to book value is 808. 23. Mahal, sobrang mali. Mahal. Wala. Hindi siya for me. Tradable. Tradable lang to, pero hindi to for long term. So, get it. If you can get it here, better. Or for pure reversal. So, hindi siya tingnan natin if it's trading properly na. Even, mas maganda breakout nito eh. Okay? Tingnan natin. Let's go to blue. Yon, si blue. Pre-market. Ayan, sinasabi ko sa inyo. So, magkakaalaman pa ulit. Si blue. Ayan. So, wala tayong gagawin. We wanted, again, another retest here. So, kung magkaroon ng retest dito or magkaroon ng successful green candle dito, pwede tayo mag-enter kay blue. For now, wala muna. Grabe no, dalawang bagsak oh. Buti nag-TP ako dito talaga sa close the gap. FB, Meta, platform. Okay, so we can see Facebook. Okay, creating also a reverse head and shoulder, no? Reverse head and shoulder there, no? So, tingnan natin kung ibubuin niya to, no? Ayan. So, if test buy, for me, this is a test buy tonight. Okay, within the range, within this buy range, okay to. For Facebook. Yeah, okay. Yan. Tingnan natin. Alright. It's 10:15 in the evening. 10:15, 15 minutes before the market opens. Please do share this live so we can reach more investors in the US market. Even the PSE. If you have PSE, pwede natin i-cater yan on this live here. Yan. Alright, so for Citigroup is actually not a good angle to look into for Citigroup. Ayan, for that one. But what I can consider is trading the range. So at least nasa below range ka pa. Kung if you're gonna do a medyo late ka lang ng konti, but if you're gonna do a rest reward here, kung okay sa'yo yung rest na yan, 1:1, you can buy it kasi nagre-range lang naman siya. So on the highs. So possible, maganda pa naman niya pero nagre-range siya. Hindi siya totally full reverse. No? Okay, si Donut. Oy, bumili ng donut. Bumili ako nito Donut. Okay, gusto natin kay Donut or Krispy Kreme is magkaroon ng reversal. But nag-second rita siya fail. So bumili ako nito on the premise na hindi siya mag-trade below here. Kung mag-trade below here, I would cut loss my Donut. Check ko nga. So meron din ako dito sa aking isang port na long term. Long term, mga 6 months to a year, hawakan. Itong port ko na isa. May mga kinatlos na ako dito. Bumili akong donut. Meron akong donut isa dito. Yan, mga buy and hold ko to. So, isa yan sa mga binili ko. Yan, okay. Check natin si Nasdaq. Tapos tayo kay Nasdaq. Sinabi ko kay Nasdaq, same lang. Nasa retracement area. Tingnan mo, observe muna tayo. Kasi wala pa siya sa full reversal. Tingnan natin kung magkaroon to ng full reversal. Saka tayo maging aggressive ulit. So, wala pa. Observe muna tayo for the tech sector. Yan. Si Plug. Let's go to Plug. Si Plug. Nag-plug. Ayan, okay, pre-market flat. Okay. Plug to, plus to Plug power. Yan. Okay. Alright, Plug is a buy for me at the opening. Buy for me on the opening, si Plug. Decent cut loss ka na kay Plug. Lakihan mo na ng cut loss mo since tradable na to ng above 13% or 9% at least. Kung magka-cut ka below the kasi baka hindi makulangin. So mga ganyan, pwede ka nang bilhin yan. For Plug. Wala lang akong pera. Pero kung meron ako, bibilin ko yan. So si Plug is a buy for me. PayPal is also a buy for me. Converge. Dito. Sige, check natin mga dito. Converge tayo muna. Okay, ano ba yung nadagdag? I think na Monde and nadagdag sa MSCI, Monde and ano ba nadagdag? Sa kalimutan ko dalawa. May dalawa. Monde, basta nadagdag sa ASEN. Ang nadagdag sa MSCI. For Monde, for Converge, okay, we want to see another breakout para mabili natin sa Converge. Hindi pa siya, for me, hindi pa siya ganun kalakas yung niya. Kung magkaroon to ng breakout by Monday, pwede. Pwede ito i-trade. Kasi kita nyo itong ginawa niya. So, magkaroon to ng breakout, baka mabilis yung angat nito. Mabilis din siya ng angat. Ang likelihood dito by Monday is bumalik dyan. Before gumanon. Okay? Dito. Tuti. Ito, price action-wise, I don't like it. Honestly, for dito. Talagang yung plano nila kasi, fundamentally, dami kasing utang Kaya ayokong bumili ng mga may utang na companies. Price action na lang talaga. Okay. For dito, Look at that, no? It's breaking the support already. Looking for a new support. So within the range, ang pangit na itsura niya. So for dito. So baka bumaba pa to in the next coming days for dito Telecom, no? All day. Mga hopefully walang ipit sa inyo sa IPO na to. Kung if you're part of the masterclass, you know where to sell eh. Uy, ganda naman ng price action nito. Okay. Tingnan natin si all day. Alright. Si all day, supposedly guys, after the IPO, binagsak, no? First hour. Near the resistance na to. Magkaroon to ng breakout on Monday, baka bumili tayo. Okay, baka bumili tayo. Kung magkaroon yan dyan, tingnan natin dito. Malayo. Ito, range natin dyan. Okay, kung magkaroon yan ng 1 hour na breakout, pwede yan i-day trade, mga 16% range o 15% range. Then, ito lang yung ano mo, ito mag-risk ka dyan para sure na lang. Mga 10, mga yan, 6%, 7%, pero mabibitin ka eh, no? 10%, oh, yan, ang risk reward mo initially. So, bibilin mo si all day sa breakout. So, I can see a good price action on this one, on all day, or buy it on the support again for this one. So, 10:22 in the evening, the market will about to open, SGP. Okay, ang isang malupit na, alright. So, for SGP, wag nyo muna itong galawin. Kasi, most likely to ibalik ulit dito. Abangan nyo to dito. Pag bumalik yan dyan, saka nyo siya bilhin. Kasi hindi pa umaabot dyan, no? Okay? Another na abang dito. Yan, itong range na yan. Kung magkaroon ng green candle dito, open dyan, nagkaroon ng green candle, bili. Nagpunta rito, bili, green candle. Okay? Small amounts. Okay? For SGP. Grabe yan, no? Nakakano yan. Bagsak-bagsak. Let's go to AMD. Okay, for AMD, for momentum traders who have a position on the buy price ni Masterclass, pwedeng bilhin yan tonight. Okay, pwedeng bilhin tonight if may position na. If wala pang position, wag muna. Okay? Supposedly your buy area is 8 gates technique. So 8 gates technique. So Tuesday or Wednesday ang mga ano natin dito. Ang tingin ko dito Tuesday or Wednesday ang buy. Prior na maganda yung ano niya. If hindi ka pa nakabili ha. Pero if nakabili ka na, pwede ka magdagdag tonight. Okay, pwede ka magdagdag tonight. So tingnan natin kung totally 8 gates to. Nakita niyo 8 gates technique diyan, ano. Malapit mag-confirm. So kung meron ka posisyon, buy. If wala, wag muna. Okay? Disney. Wow, si Disney is a pre-market bumagsak. Yan, no? Ayun, no, nag-fill the gap. Nakita nyo, ayan ang sinasabi ko, guys, no? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo before na don't just buy without confirmation. Di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Okay. Nag-hype ka ng todo kasi pataas sa pataas. Ay, may iniwan na gap dun, no? Iwan yung gap o kinulose, oh. Close the gap. Oh, yun. Wasak. Di ba? Dito ka, bumibili ka sa support dito. Yung support, bibili ako dyan. May gap up pa. Di ba? Na-open lang ka ngayon. Kaya sabi ko, delikado si Disney. Ano, kita nyo yung rejection ng price. Doon pa lang, magmuna to si Disney. Okay, pero bibilin si Disney ngayon. Tingnan natin. Tanggalin natin lagyan natin itong mga moving average. Yan. Okay, 2 things for Disney. Ibalik na dito. Yes, bili. Magkaroon ng breakout dito. Yes, bili. Ayan. O, tingnan natin yung fundamentals. Tingnan natin si G. Disney Funda. Hindi. Wag trade lang. Wag nyo bibilin totally. Very expensive. Very, very expensive siya. So, currently. GME. Wala akong gagawin. Makaka-board naman ng walang iti-trade. Gusto ko sana maghanap ng position. Wala akong ma-trade. Tingnan natin dito. Boring. Okay. Disney 3D GME. Chart na lang ako para sa inyo. GME 7? GME. GME is a... Honestly, maganda rin si GME, ha? Fairness. Tagal natin itong ano. Yan. Okay, for GME, kung titignan dito, guys, medyo alanganin si GME. Gusto natin, maganda yung directional niya pataas. But we want to see a full breakout on this one. If you're gonna do a mirroring there, no, may supply talaga na binubuhusan dito or nagte-take profit on this range. I would suggest to wait for it further at this range here. Okay, kasi baka hindi kayanin niya to eh, baka bumaba pa. So tingnan natin within this range, then we do test buy. Kasi look at what he wants to happen, no? What the stock wants to happen. I want to go up. I want to go higher. Okay, I want to go higher. Okay, I want to go higher. Oh, I want to go faster. No, hindi pwede kasi may mga ipit. May mga ipit pa dyan na nagbebenta. So, wait for it here. Then, buy tayo. Try tayo. No? Christine Faye. SLP. SLP, US dollar. Uy, malapit na mag-open ng market. 3 minutes na lang. Then we can trade together. Okay, the opening the market. Wala pa tayo nakikitang buy, no? SLP, as long as may problem yung supply, di tayo bibili dyan. Okay? Green candle bukas, pwede tayo i-test buy, pero mas bias ako bilhin siya sa ilalim, which is this one. May problem pa din sa supply demand, kaya ayoko bumili basta-basta ng momentum niyan. TSM, I'm looking into this. Okay, for TSM, green candle may be a green candle closing above this range. Maybe a test buy even it's nasa gitna. Okay. It's been consolidating a very, very long already. But if you're patient enough, kung babalik siya dyan, pwede natin pwestuhan for this one. But I can see some improvements on the current price action niya. Compare mo sa previous. So, a green candle tonight may be a confirmation na pwede natin niyang bilhin. On a closing perspective, closing na session. No? Or Monday, para sure. Pero kung gusto makuha ng mura, ngayon, mamaya na. No? Go to for position trading. Excuse. Okay. Go to, we wanted to see if clear breakout. Same lang din to ng kay TSM. So, hindi pa siya totally. Mas maganda. Abangan natin siya dito na. Na range. No, for go to. Or breakout. Breakout for go to. Check the weekly chart. Oh, hindi pa siya. Wala pa. Oh. Hindi pa nga nasa... Papunta pa ng EMA 10 ulit. No? So, if it's gonna close there, baka possible 2 weeks pa to. For this one. For go to. Okay, let's go to Shiba. Tapos na tayo kay Shiba. Rents are live. If mayroon tayong if may mga crypto, 9 to 9:30. 10. Tingnan natin mangyari sa market. Tingnan ko yung mga stock ko. Yan, thank you so much, ACB, for letting my port up again. PayPal, bumili kanina. Congrats. Okay, there you go. Check natin si Oxy. Oxy, tinamaan ng aking cut loss nito kay Oxy. On that momentum, kasi siya. We wanted to see Oxy again, and hindi kasi nag-trade above eh, no? Yun siya, bumagsak dito for Oxy. So hindi niya kinonfirm yung total nito, hindi niya inubos. Nasa trading below na siya ngayon. Ang gusto natin mangyari is magkaroon ng breakout ulit. So range na siya ngayon. Consider a buy, pwede. Pwede siya consider a buy tonight. Okay, hindi lang ganun ka. Malakas naman, honestly. You have your moving average 50, your price action, your previous resistance. For Oxy, pwede. For energy. Ingat lang ha, ingat lang. Because oil, for me, hindi siya, may oil cry. For me, hindi siya ganun kalakas ang sentiment sa oil compare in the past few weeks. Technicals, yes. Okay, J&J lipad. Bakit lumipad si J&J? Yan. Okay. Okay, so another part of J&J as well, no? Pakita ko nyo sa inyo. This one, no? If you're part of the Elite Club as well, you've been notified with J&J. Look at this, no? On your screen, this is your J&J. Yan. So, kita nyo dito. So, si J&J was a buy for us already since October 18. There is a reason behind. So, October 18, pinabili na namin si J&J. Yan. At 162. So, October 18 is here. Naka-hold na lang yung mga kasama ko dyan. Ayan, no? Dito pa lang, nag-hold na kami. Ayan. Ito yung October 18 na price action. Si J&J namin yan, enjoy na lang kami sa full reversal. Yung may mga meron na J&J natin na companies. Meron pa ba ako nito? For J&J. Wala yata akong J&J. Siyempre, limited pero ako. Di ko kayang bilhin lahat ng my research ni WIPH. So, wala akong iba. Lahat. So far, we're good. Okay, what else? Am I up this one? Down. Okay. Yan. So, please do check our Elite Club for you to get this buy and sell with statistical analysis there on your screen. Yan. Check. Dito tayo. PC IBM. Si IBM also, it's an opportunity to buy tonight for IBM. Buy range siya. Nasa buy range si IBM. Decent cut loss ka na lang dito. Lagay mo na ng mga 5% more for IBM. So, pwede itong bilhin sa IBM for me. NVAX. Si NVAX. NVAX is just playing so far. Wala pa tayo nakikitang confirmation buy for NVAX. Pero yung mga bumili below here, congrats ha. Yung mga below dito. If you can remember, talagang tinirade natin yan. No? Nagtuloy-tuloy lang ng todo. So, konting pullback for NVAX. For now, observe muna tayo. Medyo critical yung price niya for NVAX. Cisco, binenta ko na yung Cisco ko. Hindi ko gusto na yung price action ni Cisco eh. Masyado na siyang magalaw. Masyado na siya naglalaro. So, for Cisco, I wanted to confirm Cisco again if it's trading here again. So, dito ko na binenta eh within this candle, I think. Tingnan ko nga sa binenta yung Cisco ko. Ayan, $5 nga lang ko dyan eh, kay Cisco. Ano ba? mRNA. Check natin mRNA. mRNA, yan, sasabi ko din kanina, buy point yung kanina, mRNA. Tingnan natin dito mRNA. mRNA is also a buy for me si mRNA. Okay, this is a buy range here. Kung bibili ka, dapat ito cut loss mo mga 9%, 10%. Okay, gumagawa na siya ng lower high. Ayan, no? Nagko-confirm pa nag-breakout pa sa recent hour. So, maganda yung price action ni mRNA. Price action fundamentals as another consideration. Kung nakita mo medyo discounted, maganda yung price, go pasok. Amaris also is a tradable for me today. Okay. Considering Amaris will go back to the support or magkaroon ng breakout in the next hour. Kung magkaroon ng breakout in the next hour, buy. Pero for now, observe muna. Kung bumalik sa dyan, buy. Kung magkaroon ng breakout doon, trading above here, maybe a consideration to buy. Okay, done. Coin. Let's go to coin. Coin. Observe muna tayo kay coin. 1, 2, 3. 8 gates. Third gate. Low volatility. Pwede i-test buy. Momentum si coin. Pwede i-test buy for momentum si coin. Yun lang. Okay. Okay. Next na naman i-report yan. Yung Vince, no? Yung mga yan. Okay, this one. Melly. Okay, Melly is not in a good shape so far. But if it's gonna close above this range today, maybe a consideration to buy. Nagsa-support pa siya ngayon, hindi pa build up so far. No? DKS. We want to see a breakout of DKS before we confirm the buy. So far, it's building above the highs. If you can see a breakout here, maybe a buy. If you're aggressive, you can test buy, have a decent cut loss lang around 8%. Okay, para hindi ka masyadong 8% to 9%. Okay, your risk reward here depende na kung if gusto mong i-trade yan 12%, 1:2, 1:1, 1:2 point something lang. Up to you. Pero okay yung price action niya. Is PayPal gonna fall at 170? Ano bang price ng current ni PayPal? 170, not I cannot confirm nor deny, no? In terms of the price ni PayPal, it's expensive fundamentally. Price action, we're still at the building support. So we can confirm it in the next Tuesday. Sa Tuesday, mako-confirm natin. Kung bababa siya. Tuesday or Wednesday. Based on technicals. So by Tuesday, kung magkaroon pa yan ng sudden drop, syempre yun. Possible. Kung hindi yan magsado ng sudden drop before Wednesday, sudden drop possible this is the bottom already. How do I know? Of course. No? Yeah. YAMC. Ba? Yam Brands. Okay, YAMC for me, safe to buy is here. Okay, ito na yung pinakamalakas sa support niya. I would not consider this anymore. Itong yan. Kasi dito na siya na previously nag-bounce. So, yan. Tesla, pababa to. Okay? Ayan ang price action ko kay Tesla. Kita nyo? So, tumataon siya even sa Elliott Wave correction ko. So, within the gap, possible mag-close muna yan ng within the gap. Tingnan natin. So, yan. Kita nyo, nag-bounce siya dun sa A ko. Then, dun siya nag-resistance sa near the B. Then, possible going there to the C. Yan, okay? So, para just to make sure, yan yun. Yan yung nangyari. So, bounce, then baba. So, yan, mangyayari dyan. Okay, Elliott Wave. Impulse, corrective. Okay, gap up. Si Neo. 2 per game na. Good guts. Congratulations. See? My point here, guys, no? If you invested in knowledge like the masterclass time we are offering, the gains and the losses have this different pag panalo ka, alam mo bakit mo siya tinrade. Alam mo ba't mo siya ininvest, no? Kasi iba dyan, example, ganito lang titingin, no? Ganito lang example, no? Mga nakikita ko, paano ba sila mag-analyze? Okay, example, Neo, punta sila Neo. May nakita pa ako isang post. May nakita ko isang post, sabi niya na, bakit nag-gap down si Neo? Ang ganda ng earnings. Ganun yung mga bumili siya previously. Maybe kasi the fundamental is what company to buy. That's answer of what company to buy. The fundamentals, no? Like, ganda ng earnings estimate. Tapos may mga analyst dito. Tapos earnings is good and everything, no? The fundamental is what company to buy. It gives you a very strong conviction if the company is discounted or the company is undervalued. That's one. Second, you need to consider in buying is the sentiment. No? Ano yung sentiment? No, let me push you this way. No? Ito. Since it's 10:41, yan, tuturuan ko kayo ng konting tayo dito before tayo mag-complete the trade. Okay, in trading, and even in investing, you need to have this holistic approach. Talk about holistic approach. All investors use fundamentals to look for what company to buy. No? This is your funda. Buy and hold, yes, that's good. Okay. Why did Warren Buffett did not buy Amazon before? Kung magandang company si Amazon, ba't hindi niya nabili si Amazon during that time? Na kay Apple siya, the whole thing. No? Kasi maraming factors aside from funda. Another one is technicals, no? Yan, technicals. Yan. Okay? Another one that binds them together is your risk management. Yan. Risk management yan. Dapat marunong ka ng risk management. Kasi itong risk management mo, yan ang kakapit sa boat yan. Yan ang maghahawak sa boat. Yung foundation yan, guys, is yung foundation dito, sentiment. Yan, sentiment yan. So, ano yung itsura nito? Kahit gaano kaganda yung company, kung nabili mo siya ng mahal na presyo, you're not buying a good investment. How do you know na mahal na presyo? Of course, no, yung mga fake ratio, fair value valuation. Tapos, hahaluan mo ng price action para makuha mo yung specific price. Kahit gaano kaganda yung company at kahit gaano kaganda yung technical analysis mo, at ikaw lang ang bumibili dyan, tapos lahat nagbebenta. When you say, nasa tuktok, tapos nagbebenta lahat. Or nasa ilalim, tapos ang ganda ng fundamentals, ang gagaling ng board of directors, pero hindi nakikita yan at walang price movement. Hindi yan aangat. No, you're just playing around your ego. So that's why kailangan holistic approach kasi kahit gaano kaganda yung fundamentals mo, technicals mo, tapos overposition ka naman lahat, mali lahat, psychological mo niya wasak. Okay, kasi ikaw yung psychological no? Pag may mali dyan, tapos nakikita mo yung port mo sobrang green, hindi mo kayang i-alter, parang mangawalan ka ng gana. So, everything must be in a holistic approach. Your position open, your risk management, your conviction, both fundamentals and technicals, can give you a marathon of consistent trading. That's why, guys, I really urge everyone, there is a link batch here. You can join the masterclass. We're going to start tomorrow. I'm so excited with the new batch because they're ready to conquer the market with us. Yeah, let's go! PM mo daw si Pag-hold ba dapat mag-leverage? That's a good question. Okay. We're talking about the problem with the leverage is this. Okay. Let me just give you one example. This one. Pag hindi umangat yung presyo, nag-sideways yan, kinakaltasan ka ng broker ni eToro or whatever. Okay? Yun ang di maganda sa leverage. Pag biglang nag-cut loss ka pa, dagdag pa yan sa losses mo. So leverage, also, the problem also with leverage, you are getting the price on a higher price value kasi binabayaran mo yung leverage. Ang maganda naman sa leverage, if you have entries like 150, para kang nag-entry ng $500. Pwede ka makabili ng ibang stock. Yun yung maganda sa leverage. Pero leverage is a double-edged sword. You must know how to use it. because if you don't know how to use it, it can make or break you in totally. So, it totally in a way na nag-all in ka tapos naka times 5. It can work, but not all the time. Nag-all in ka 1 million pesos times 5. Tapos nag-gap down yung stock. Yes, we can actually celebrate if tama ka. If mali ka, nako, problema 'yun. 'Di ba? Okay? So on your screen, let's go back. It's 10:46 before we go. Spot, let's go to spot and SPWR. Let's go to SPWR first. We have a few minutes to go. Bilis ng oras. Pangit ng ano, no? Hindi natin masabayan yung market. SPWR for me is a buy tonight. Okay, as long as it's trading above that range here, buy tonight to si SPWR. Do I have money? I don't have money. So, bibili rin sana ako niyan, yung plug tsaka ito. So, it's a buy tonight for SPWR for me, no? Cut loss around 9%. Yan, okay? For Baba, I already mentioned this one. It's still on a buying range. Okay, buying points is around this one. So buy and hold on a proper technicals to. 159, 152, and 139. So chill lang yan si Alibaba. Let's go for Spotify. Actually, what we have right now. Spotify is also a test buy tonight. Possible test buy tonight si Spotify. We had a breakout here. We have a reversal there. So test buy may be considered for Spotify tonight. So ang ganda rin ng technical si test Spotify. Pwede si test Spotify tonight. BNB, no. BNB USD, no. Wag muna. Nasa tuktok pa talaga. Mag-sell off pa yan si BNB. Crocs, congratulations sa mga ano dito, natingin nitong ano natin dito. Momentum. Wag niyo na tong wait for a breakout na lang. Too late na to kung bibili ka pa ngayon kasi baka mag-sideways yan or bumalik dito sa mean. Yan, baka bumalik sa range na yan. So, but honestly si Crocs pinabili ko dito yan, alam ko eh. Tingnan natin si Crocs ha. Tingnan ko si Crocs. Okay. Si Crocs is here. Crocs, yan. Wala dito si Crocs. Ano to si Crocs? Yan, nasa ba si Crocs? Crocs is Crocs yan. Nasa old yata na Elite Club si Crocs yata. Wala, nasa apparel. September yan eh. September na report. Okay. Crocs yan. Okay. Can you check TLM USDT on a Golden Cross daily? Alright, that's a good question, no? Golden Cross. Okay. The Golden Cross, it's not a confirmation na you're gonna buy it today. The Golden Cross is an event that confirms a long-term trend, no? So it means to say if you're gonna read that one on the Golden Cross, no? This one, PLM ito. Saan yung Golden Cross ito? Wala namang Golden Cross. Saan ito yung Golden Cross? Wala naman. Ito. Walang Golden Cross pa dito, bro. Okay, walayo pa. Walang Golden Cross. Baka check mo yung time frame na ginagamit mo. Baka yung time frame na ginagamit mo sa 15 minutes or 4 hours. Maraming Golden Cross na nangyayari doon. Check mo lang. Sa daily, wala. Wala akong nakikitang Golden Cross. KHC support. For this one, I would actually trade this on a breakout. Because the support, yes, it's actually on the current demand zone. But malakas yung mga resistance sa taas. So, hindi siya dito. Hindi siya tradable for now. CTRM. Ito can also be a test buy. Okay, test buy to. Price action support, pwede. Okay. 10:15, 16 in the evening. Okay, last few stock tayo. TXN, no, not a buy. Momentum pababa sa TXM. SE, not a buy also. Resistance, reversal trend. Rejecting the EMA20 and the price action, pababayan. Katecoin, hindi na kay Katecoin. Medyo hintayin nyo lang ulit sa ilalim si Katecoin. Pinakita na yun kanina, mga 9:15. Usually, crypto natin is mga, ano oras ba crypto? 9:30 to 10 o'clock. Alright. So, let me review ano nangyari tonight. ACB is doing fine. Okay. I'm gonna give you also one glimpse. One glimpse on our report. So, papakita ko sa inyo guys why do you need to join the club? Why do you need to join the Actually, wag na. Recent lang yun eh. 1 week pa lang nakalipas na report ko siya. So, patagalin muna natin pala. Yan, no? Kailan ko ba ni-report yung Elite Club? September 9. October 9. So, patagalin muna natin. Pag medyo kumikita na tayo ng todo, doon natin i-reveal yung report. Yan. Okay. Ay, sorry. Yan. Amazon. Before we go. Last few stocks. Amazon is still good. If magkaroon to ng green candle on Monday, pwede natin bilhin. The fair value of this at 4,000 eh. So it's trading range. Trading range tayo dito. The buy points here will be Monday, kung magkaroon ng green candle, that's one. Second is magkaroon to ng dito na range ulit. Bili tayo dyan. Maganda bumili kay Amazon. This very, very discounted, good growth, very, very good company as well for long term. Tsaka nagsa-sideways, ang lakas ng presyo. Hopefully, walang problema to, no? Pero ganda na sideways niya. Alright, so again, on our page, on wiseinvestorsph.com, what you can actually see here is our different natin na we can help you in your investment. One is our robot. So, mga robot natin, if you want to diversify on robot, we can actually offer you 3 things. Isang pang long-term, isang pang active, isang pang trading ng Forex. So, what we are offering there. So, ito yung mga accounts natin dyan. Let me just open also my robot. So, example, ikaw, busy ka. Tapos, hindi mo masyadong, example, wala ka makatrade, buy and hold ka lang, or gusto mo mag-diversify. Tapos, investor ka lang. You can trade with us. So, example ako, this year, I've been trading my automated Izanagi. It's up by 200% on your screen there. 200% siya this year. I also have a client, no, that I'm helping to manage him. Puts almost 2 million pesos. Is actually earning 2,000 pesos a day. Grabe to si Kuya, no? Yan, no? Tingnan mo, oh. Lupit, oh. Yan, no? Kaka-open lang niya recently. November 1. Tingnan mo yung pera niya per day, oh. 2,000 pesos a day. Grabe, no? Sarap. Parang sweldo niya. Naglagay siya ng 1 million pesos dito. So that's our Izanagi. Very, very active. Also, we have a Valkyrie, which is auto-compounding on its own. Based on backtesting, it gives you sobrang gandang earnings. I'm up by 17%. Okay? Automated, everyday, nagtatrade yan siya on its own. Meron din tayong mode 1. I'm up by 12%. Trading on its own every day. And I have a risk, very, very aggressive. Ito pala, tapos na pala. 15% risk, I'm up by 6%. So, mga ano na to. So, ayan, nakita nyo yung equity curve. So, angat siya. So, yung maganda dito sa automated. So, you have a lot of options to check our automated trading there. Please do check it out. Advantage to kasi you can diversify. And then, automated siya. Okay, but syempre may risk yan. Depende lang sa criteria mo. And last but not the least, if you're new on this page, then you want to invest in the US market, you have an option to open an eToro cut or go trade as much as $50. Yeah, you need an invite token, so you can also invite your friends to start investing in the US stocks on our page. And last, before we go, yan, if you're wanted to learn how to trade, how to invest, how to protect your capital, how to do a long-term investing port, you can check our masterclass. It's gonna be the last batch this year. No? Habol na po kayo because tomorrow we were gonna grind in the next six weeks to learn more as we earn more. So that's it, guys. Hopefully, maano kayo dyan. So let's have a review of what we for tonight. Sa mga recommendation natin tonight. So let's check yung mga last natin. Okay, mga nakita akong pwedeng bilhin tonight. Check natin. Okay, Neo is still good. Chill lang yan si Neo. MQ, mag-close ng green. Sinabi nga natin, okay yan. If mag-close ng green, Blueberry, Kara. Si Kara nag-trade below. Pag ako niya doon, trade below. Hindi siya nagtuloy. So, pero okay lang. Nasa MA20 pa naman. Donut is also a buy for me si Donut Tonight. Tonight, pwede itong bilhin si Donut. Box, RL, CNA, Oxy, Kia, Vev. Yun lang yung nabili natin, no? Ano pa isa? What else do we actually buy? Ano pa siya, no? Ano pa bang nabili natin tonight? SPWR. Okay, consider to na buy tonight. Si Plug, consider ko rin to ng buy tonight. Si Plug, no, hindi pa pala. Si Plug, it needs to break out. Okay, break out si Plug for tonight. Okay, happy ka na ba si Izanagi? Mabilis ma-withdraw. Oh, 2 days lang, withdraw ka na. Walang problema kay Izanagi. Wala problema. As in, very, very good broker ang hawak natin dyan. CAT. CAT is also a buy tonight. Look at that. Honestly, opportunity to buy tonight kay CAT. As long as it's trading there, si CAT. Look at the trend line. Look at the moving average. Look at the Rasengan. So, maganda si CAT. Nasa lower ka ng trend, bibili for CAT. So, yeah, I think yun lang yung mga nakita natin for crypto. Ang nakita ko lang kay crypto kanina was... Ano ba yung nakita natin kanina kay crypto? Meron tayo isang nakita. Crypto. Meron isang nakita natin kay crypto kanina. Can you let me know ano yung nakita natin kay crypto na magandang bilhin tonight kay crypto? I forgot. I've totally forgot. I'm gonna check. LTC, LB. Wala eh. Wala akong parang ano ba yung nakita natin kay crypto kanina? Paano pa? Help nga kung meron tayo. Check lang din sa PayPal. Si PayPal okay pa naman eh. Chill pa naman to eh. Sige lang. Alright. So with that guys, I'm gonna see you on Monday on our next trading live natin here on Wise Investors PH. Of course, si BCH. BCH ba? Thank you. Yeah, BCH. Pwede. Okay, BCH is also a test buy. Okay, test buy for BCH. Pwede. Correct. Pwede si BCH. Yan, pwede. If you have a prior position, pwede si BCH. Tama. Last, Zoom breakdown. Wag na to si Zoom. Okay, breakdown na ng support. Bababa pa yan further, I'm sure. So again, guys, for tonight, thank you so much for tuning in, of course. We're gonna see you again on Monday. Yan. Update ko kayo on the weekend then, of course. Baba, buy range si Baba, but better on a lower price kung bumaba pa. But of course, on a 6 month to a year perspective, Baba is still very, very discounted with a faster growth. Especially with China expected to grow at 22% next year. Okay? Versus the global market. Pakita ko na lang para sure. Para may conviction kayo for US. Pakita ko para makita nyo. Okay? Sa Elite Report. Okay. Elite Report. September report. Para wala kayong mga na dyan. September report. Okay. Last before we go. Okay. Saan yun? This one. Ayan. So, fundamentally, okay, because of the shake ratio of China expected to go around 22% versus global earnings report growth December to next year. So the growth room for growth for China is still large, huge. It's just affected with the current problems like anti-tech regulations and concerns over monetary policy, especially with Evergrande. So, titingnan mo dyan, average 37 yan, pero 29. Kaya maganda, kaya may mga China stocks ka talaga dapat na ngayon, especially they're trading under value. Okay? If your perspective is 6 months to a year, ha? Okay, pero kung mainipin ka, blame game ka kasi bumababa. Do trading. So with that, thank you so much for tonight. I'm gonna see you on our next live trading here on Wise Investors PH. May the market be with you always. This is John, your host tonight. God bless and have a good night. Have a nice weekend, everyone. Bye.